How long should you keep your financial records? Hi, my name is Keith Hall. I'm a CPA, and I'm just one of the business professionals available to you through America's Independent Business Coalition. You may be trying to decide how long should you keep all of that paperwork that supports your company's financial statements. Well, it's a good question, and there's a bunch of different answers. From a finance standpoint, many states have various bankruptcy filing rules. Many lenders have different rules as far as recourse on debt, but the overall general rule of thumb is that if you keep your financial records for at least 7 years, then regardless of the situation that you might have to face, you will most likely have all of the records necessary to meet any of those questions. Now, in today's technology world, it is very easy to make digital copies of all of those records, which put us in a much better position to save records indefinitely. So that's certainly a good idea. But if you can keep your financial records for at least 7 years, then you'll be in good stead from a retention policy. From a tax standpoint, the IRS can actually go back and look at your tax returns for up to 3 years from the date you file the return. Now, since you don't file the return on the last day of the year, you file that on April 15th or so, it's better to keep your tax records for at least 4 years. That way you'll always cover that extra period of depending on when you actually filed the return. So for tax return purposes, support for the tax return, make sure you keep at least 4 years of that information. For your other accounting records, bank statements, financial statements, records of deposits and expenses to support your financial statements, make sure you keep those for at least 7 years. And again, if your technology allows for digital saving, then that puts you in a position to record and save those entries and records for much longer. So hopefully that helps with the answer of how long should you keep your records. You may have other money questions or other finance questions, and we're here to help. So check out the other videos we have. Check out the frequently asked questions section so you can see questions asked by other members. And if you have a specific question, just click the link and one of our business professionals will get back to you with your specific answer by the next business day. So if you have money questions or finance questions, we have the answers.